Hello, children. Let's learn to read. The title of our reading today is Mike's 5 Miles Bike's Ride. And from this reading, we're learning how to read with words having silent E and long I sound. Are you ready? Good. Let's start. Mike. Mike got a gift for the party from the bride. Rice. It wears a big bag of rice. Bike. Mike put the big bag of rice on his bike. 5. He will ride his bike for 5 miles to get to the site. Lime. He saw a lime tree beside the road. 9. There are 9 ripened limes hanging on the tree. Kite. There was also a kite on the tree. Time. Mike got to the site on time. Now here is the reading with all the sentences put together. Mike got the gift for the party from the bride. It was a big bag of rice. Mike put the big bag of rice on his bike. He will ride his bike for 5 miles to get to the site. On his way, he saw a lime tree with 9 ripened limes hanging on the tree. Mike picked up one ripe lime and had a bite. He liked the taste of the lime. There was also a kite on the tree. It was a fine kite. Mike tied the kite to his bike and smiled while riding the bike 5 miles to the site. Mike got to the site on time. The taste of the lime and fine kite made it a nice bike ride for Mike. Good job! Now you can practice that yourself as well. And before we go, here are questions from our reading. 1. Who got a gift from the bride? Good. Mike. Mike got a gift from the bride. 2. What gift did Mike get? Good. Rice. Mike got a bag of rice from the bride. Question 3. Where did Mike put the bag of rice? Good. Bike. Mike put the bag of rice on his bike. And here is question 4. How far will Mike ride his bike to get to the site? Good. 5. Mike will ride his bike 5 miles to get to the site. And question 5. Which tree did Mike see on the road? Good. Lime tree. Mike saw a lime tree on the road. And the next question. How many limes did Mike see on the tree? Good. 9. Mike saw 9 limes on the tree. Next question. What else did Mike see on the tree? Good. Kite. Mike saw a kite on the tree. And our final question. When did Mike get to the site? Good. On time. Mike got to the site on time. Good job. Now subscribe to the channel for more interesting reading passages. See you next time.